So one of the many questions that we have is, do we give the defendant's adjuster a statement? Before you contact an attorney's office, you've probably already given a statement to the defendant's insurance company. If you're contemplating on reaching out to a firm, let them know, like, hey, you know what, I'm not ready to get a statement, but I'm ready to get my property damage fixed. Why do we say that? In our office, the practice that we have is once we have a client that calls, we tell them, stop all communication with the defendant's adjusters. They don't need to contact you, they'll contact us. Why? Because one of the first things that adjusters always ask clients, are you injured? What's your date of birth? Can I have your social security number? Where did you go to the doctor? Oh, who are you treating with? We are not going to hide any of this information from them, but we're not going to give it to them just that very minute. Why do we not give your injuries to an adjuster? Well, because we need to look at the police report. Because sometimes when people have an accident, and like I've stated, you have adrenaline going through your body, you're not going to report injuries right away. You're going to say, no, I'm fine. I'm going to go home, put some ice on it, and see how I wake up the next day. Well, if you tell the adjuster that day, the same day that you're calling worried about your car, well, I'm doing fine, they can take that into terms of saying, well, your client has said that they didn't have any injuries after the day of the accident, and now they have all of these after the date they met with you. Well, we just say, hold that information, we don't know. So don't tell them if you're injured or not. If they ask you for your date of birth, don't provide that information because they're going to run your date of birth to see where you've treated or where you're going. And that's something that they don't need to know at the beginning of your case. Why do they need their social security number? They're going to run your social security number against Medicare and Medicaid. Some of you may have Medicaid, some of you may have Medicare. I can explain to you what they're going to do. When you have Medicaid or Medicare and Medicaid want to get reimbursed for that money. But that's something that our office does. We will contact Medicare and Medicaid and let them know, hey, they were in an accident, you might have paid some bills, we know you want to get paid back, send us your conditional payment, we'll take care of you guys. But the insurance company is going to want to use Medicare and Medicaid to pay a different amount. So that's why we don't want your social security number to the other person. And the fourth reason that you don't want to give them a statement is because sometimes they'll use your words out of context. They'll ask you, okay, well, where were you on the lane? And you'll say, oh, I was on the right side of the lane. And they'll say, but the police report says you were on the left side. Or where were you hit? Were you hit on the right side or the left side? And they'll try to confuse you. So that's why we say, don't talk to them. Don't give them a statement. Talk to us first. Talk to an attorney. Find out what you need, what they need to know. When you're talking about property damage, all you need to tell them is, this is where my car is, this is where the damage, send them the pictures of the property damage. But adjusters will say, well, how are you doing today? That is a way that they're trying to sneak in and get information from you. They're saying, how are you doing today? Because you're going to say, oh, I'm doing fine, thank you. Oh, really? Well, how's your back feeling? Because we show that you injured your back. That's a way of them to get information from you. So just be careful with their tactics. You can talk to them about property damage only, but contact us and let us know if we can help you.